Diamonds doing tussie slides in both ears.
When I'm done. Now I'm going inside. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm so excited to go see the new Moana, but it's like I don't even know where my seats are and I don't want to go. But oh my gosh. Looks so cool. Yeah, so the movie was so good. I liked it. It was okay. But now I need a notebook for school or for my life. I need a planner. I can't find one. I can't find one that I like. So I ain't gonna buy none because I don't like them. I don't like none of them. Like, they're not giving what I'm looking for. And I have most of them at home. So yeah, I'm gonna go and buy food and then just go. So from here, I'm waiting for my food. And when I get it, then I'm gonna go home and watch a movie or something. I need to do schoolwork, bro. I'm tired. I don't feel like doing it. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm at home. So y'all, I just reached home. I got chores to do, but I'm gonna eat first. Cause like, look how good this looks. Wait. Yeah. Big bag activities. Let's see if it's good. Wait. And I just want this drink. Wait. I feel like he didn't add hot sauce, but I did ask for a sauce, so it's okay. Oh, he did add hot sauce. Yeah, it's burning now. But now I'm gonna finish eating, then clean the house real quick. Then I think I'm gonna like have a cozy night, like watch a Christmas movie. But I'm gonna watch a movie though, or finish my series that I'm watching. I'm watching Lincoln Lawyer, and that's on Netflix, and I'm watching on Prime Videos Nebulous. Yeah, something like that. I don't know. But it's good. So I'm gonna see you guys soon. Bye. Oh, it's 5:54. So I'm gonna go shower because I'm still in this outfit. So I'm gonna go shower and show you guys a little bit of my night routine, then go watch a movie and go to sleep. So yeah. Now I'm gonna shower and then I'm gonna see you guys when I'm done. So yeah, I'm just done showering and loosening up my hair. And I just washed my face with the CeraVe gentle cleansing. Yeah, gentle cleanser. And then I'm gonna use this moisturizer. Yes, because it is so good. And I just use it every night. Oh, and I use it in the morning with like sunscreen. Well, I don't really use sunscreen anymore. Or like when it's not sunny, I ain't gonna use it. It's like it's cloudy all the time, and what am I gonna use it for? Actually, but yeah, that's what I do. And my hair, I just put it in a body, but I ain't gonna do that now.
Easy?
Yeah.
Between this car and our new bodyguards,